For the next discussion is about the abstract. No? So this is the very last part that we will be preparing since we have already finished the presentation of chapters 1 to 5. Okay? It is because when we say the abstract, it is actually the summary of the whole study. No? Although we will not be summarizing from chapters 1 to 5, there are only components or the key components that are to be presented in the abstract. Okay? And it has to be presented on the as part of the preliminary pages in your manuscript. Okay? So the abstract is often the first section of a study or report that the reader looks for. And since not everyone will read your entire study, it needs to be concise while still covering all the bases. The methods for composing an abstract are outlined below. Okay, and in just one paragraph, you have to sum up the main points of the paper's contents. So, what are the main points? They are actually the background of the study, the objectives of the study, the methodology, and the findings of the study. You have to keep the abstract to a maximum of 250 words. Use only one page and do not indent. Okay. So in one page, okay, it is actually presented in a paragraph. Okay, and it is not indented. It is actually the only paragraph in your manuscript that is not indented. No? Now, where do we get the components of the abstract? So the background of the study as well as with the objectives of the study are from your chapter 1. The objectives of the study are actually from your statement of the problem. Okay? In your SOP, it is presented in question form, but in presenting it as an objective of the study, you will have to restate it into a statement. Okay? Meaning, you will have to convert the question into a statement form, just like what you have done in the subheading of your chapter 4. Okay, and then the methodology, okay, will be coming from your chapter 3, and then the findings of the study will be coming from your chapter 5. Okay, so we have here a sample file. So if you click it, it will lead you to a sample document. Okay, so take note of the format on how it is presented. So we have uh, single space, bold, all capital, the title of your study, and then space, and then bold, the names of the proponents. You can include the middle initial if you have, and then space, the college, the university, the campus, and the location, that is Nasugbu, Batangas. Space, bold, abstract, space, and then one paragraph. Okay? And as I have said, okay, the format should be in paragraph form. Okay? It is not indented, and the components are present in the abstract. So the first part, okay, should present the background of the study. It will be coming from your chapter 1. Then we have the objectives of the study, again from chapter 1. And then we have the methodology from your chapter 3. And then the last part will be the findings of the study. Okay? So in the Microsoft Word, if you highlight all of the words in the paragraph, okay, on the lower left portion of the Microsoft Word, it will present your word count, no, kung ilan siya, and it should not exceed 250 words. Okay, so in this case, this is 199 words. So pumasa siya dun sa standard, particularly on the number of words in the abstract. And then we have the space and then the keywords. No? So keywords are used if your study will be searched in the internet, for example. So they will just be typing in the keywords, and then it will suggest the study that you have conducted. And for us to be able to do that, we have to provide a keyword, okay? And the keywords can be based from your title. No, so you have to identify the different technical, not only the technical terms, but the words that will link your study, okay, in the Google search engine, for example. So in this case, we have the dynamic cost averaging, we have the relative strength index, and we have stochastic. So it is based on the title. No? So we have here the keyword. So this is how we present the abstract.